kit. I haven't even opened it yet, and I already know I love it. I purchased the love letter kit, and I have actually just opened a previous kit from, I believe, last January called Star-Crossed Lovers. And I was looking for kind of a Valentine's-y theme to kick me off for February. This is a mystery design kit, and this is one I've purchased. Sometimes they will send me kits to review for you. I have it in advance, which means my coupon code has not expired yet. So yay me. But this love letter kit has got all kinds of goodies here. Some beading wire, copper crimp tubes. I love copper. That's why when I saw the bead strand, even though I don't know what's in the bead kit, I'm like, yes, I've got to do this. And it's got the leverback earrings, silver plated clasp, lobster claw clasp, the Jesse James bead mix, bunch of stuff here. Looks like there's some travertine heart beads. I'm gonna fall in love with this kit. I just know I am. Lots of copper in here, which is very exciting, and some pink aurora borealis type stuff with some copper. Softflex has a monthly mystery design kit, and it comes with all kinds of goodies: your beads, your wire, your components, a lot of cool things, sometimes some pendants and charms and things like that. The only thing you really need are your tools, plier related, so like your crimping pliers, and if you're wanting to do wire work or something, you might want to have your long nose pliers. And then I've also got my round nose pliers for when I do earrings and stuff. I also have some bent nose pliers, and then of course to cut your wire to get a nice flush cut, you'll want some flush cutters. So that's not ever going to be in your kit. If you're using stretch cord or memory wire, you can still use this kit without having to have any of those pliers. But I do suggest, even to my jewelry making students, you can get for like $9 or $12 different kits at Michael's that have some of the basic pliers, because it's a cheap set of tools, but I've had some of those kits last me forever, and that's with students using them. So just keep that in mind, because it's not really anything that you have to start investing into, like let's say Wubbers tools or any of those high dollar tools, Tronics and all of that stuff, until you get further down into your jewelry making career or path, because it's up to you as far as your preference and how you want to invest in your jewelry making. So yeah, you get a bunch of goodies, and then if you want to possibly win a future kit, if you have the hashtag that's within your letter that you get with every kit, and whatever your designs are, take a nice photo of it and then post it in the Softflex Very Important Beader group at the Facebook, and then use that hashtag, and then you will be randomly selected is the winner though, but you could possibly win a design kit every month. So that's awesome. Any of the photos that they get, and if you do your own YouTube videos or whatnot and you're using their supplies, then make sure that you let them know in that Facebook group, and sometimes they will include it in their blog posts for whatever the kit is that month. You've heard me say it 1,000 times if you've been to my channel before, but I love the simplicity and the sheer joy of unwrapping their packages every month. It doesn't matter, and they're so like, here, let me give you a taste. You want some texture? You want to feel comfort? You want to have some pizzazz? Well, we've got this beautiful sheen in this coral color with this copper sticker that's got the heart and that sage. Nice big piece of yarn, and I can't help it. I just want to, let's go ahead. We're opening it. That is my most exciting thing about it, other than the sheer surprise, obviously, that we don't know what's in here. But that's something I have always loved about Softflex. Oh my gosh, I can already tell I'm in love with what's in there. This is right up in my colorway with the copper. Oh, I love it. So when I got this mishmash of supplies on the recent sale at Christmas, I got this kit, and then because of the amount of stuff that I purchased, I was able to get the love letter coordinating strand for free. Not only did I get a lot of cool things, which included this heart in there, I think it was called Sunshine and Shadows goodie bag. I mean, look at this. This is amazing. I've got to figure out what this is. Hopefully I'll have a slide by the time I do this editing here, but I love that. But the funny thing is, it coordinates beautifully with the love letter kit, and I had no idea. And it's a heart, so I mean, can you go wrong? No. There's sometimes that it just speaks to my heart in such a way, you know, because it is a love letter. And boy howdy, did they romance me. This is so pretty. First up are some of these copper crimp tubes, and these are the soft flex kind. Soft flex bead stringing wire might be a little bit thicker than usual because of the additional colorful coating that's on the compressed or compacted wires, but it's actually, in this case, 49 strands, and then it's coated in whatever the color is. So these crimp tubes that soft flex sells are really great because they have the extra thickness once you've used your crimping plier, which is this, in order to be able to hold that beautiful wire in whatever color that you are using. We got this beautiful check glass, faceted. This is a 6mm strand. Look at that coppery shimmer on that. And it almost looks like tortoise shell with the brown on those facets under that sheen. Very pretty. And then we, I'm in love with this. This has the travertine wash on it, so that's what those little brown spots are that kind of make it look like turtle, but so cute. I love that. And then we have these in this beautiful, it looks like there's apricot, some silver, some gold, some orange. All right, well, these are definitely the check fire polish, but oh, they are beautiful. I'm going to have to get more strands of this. I've not seen this color combination before on these check glass, and I usually try to collect, especially this size. That's probably my favorite. Look how nice it looks with my heart. Then this 3x5 check glass brown opal gem cut rondelle glass, but it is a pretty color, and it does look like a gem. Usually if there's a cool feel to it, it's stone. That would be your indicator there if you have any kind of doubt. Then this is a 14mm shell pearl pink glass bead. Beautiful. It says pale pink, but it almost looks like pale peach to me. Then we've got some of these beautiful hearts. Oh my gosh, how fun. Crystal pink Aurora Borealis drop beads, which is this. And then the check glass travertine with red wash heart beads. See, that doesn't look red to me. It looks pinky coral. I love that. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. We got a big bag of those. And then there is an oval bead that has an Aurora Borealis look to it. Okay, then we have the metal findings. Looks like we've got the hammered hearts. Okay, so the description says it's an antique copper hammer tone heart ring. So it is just a solid ring there. There's no hole in there, but there are two of those really cute. Then we've got some of those nice thick copper jump rings, some of the lever back ear wires here, and then some of the ball head pins. And then we have the love letter bead mix. There's that sage color per the yarn over there. And then we have some bone color of the beading wire. Look how well that coordinates. Let's pour out a little bit, shall we? Now, some of these things, like these bits right here, coordinate very well with the bead strand. And then look at that. It goes very well with this and that. It's a little bit deeper of a peachy vibe compared to the drops that are in that little baggie there, but it's still beautiful. The sage, then this opaque white, this deep red. That's almost like a charcoal. No, it's a sage green as well. Some copper bits, bright copper, and then this antique copper. Got a couple of large antique copper pieces there too. And then some bead caps in the antique copper. And then we've got a large pear shape in that opaque white. There's like a cinnamon red rondelle, faceted. And this is kind of a pyramid type of shape in that sage color. We've got some cubes here in that peachy color. The beautiful love letter strand. Got all these copper elements to it. These beautiful hearts. I love that peachy tone of the heart. This is really neat. This is a beaded bead, and then they use bead caps on either end of it to give it an even more cool and unique look. I love these little spacers. That's another thing too about Jesse James bead strands, is they put together the bead strands in such a unique way that all I'd have to do is just string this on as a bracelet and I'm done. Like, it's already done all the work for me if I just want to do it like that. All right, so that is my love letter kit and bead strand. I made a necklace, a bracelet, and 2 pairs of earrings with this kit and really enjoyed it. Now, I did actually have several items from my stash that coordinated very well with the love letter bead strand that I purchased and the kit. And I actually received a free pendant, which was very apropos, in a heart shape. And I still need to pull up what this stone actually is. It's some sort of jasper. I put the necklace and 1 pair of the earrings over here on my form. I put a flower bead I had in my stash, and then I just used the bead stringing wire in this bone color to put the beads on in that cinnamon red that has kind of a gold Maria finish on it as the pendant bell. So it's a beaded bell, and then I just have a bunch of beads that coordinate with one another very well. I love these heart beads, and in order to pick up some of this reddish pink, I've got some of those rondelles in there, and then these little cinnamon check glass are faceted. So I think overall it looks really pretty. And then the bracelet that I created has a little bit of everything on it. I love this rose. Got the copper surround frames with the check glass faceted in that peach and kind of gold color. Some beads from my stash that have this Indian look about it, and I just thought it looked really nice with the overall colorway of the bracelet. I love these beaded beads that were on that bead strand. So yeah, that's my bracelet with the lobster claw clasp. And then I have these 2 earrings that are on the lever backs. Very pretty. All right, there we go. Alright guys, so that's my love letter collection with this beautiful necklace, a heart pair of earrings, and then down here I've got the bracelet and a second pair of earrings with the copper component. That is what I made using all of the items, including some items from my stash for the love letter design kit. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share this with any of your jewelry friends that might enjoy purchasing from softlex.com. I don't have any affiliate code or coupon with them, but just enjoy perusing their website and let them know that Sparkle by Monica sent you. If you've not already subscribed to my channel, please do so. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and have a sparkle-rific day, y'all. Bye.